friends, my name is Vishwajit and today we are learning NCERT Solution Class 7 Subject Science Chapter number 8 Winds, Storms and Cyclones. So let's start. Question number 1. Fill the missing words in the blanks space in the following statements. A. Wind is answer moving air. B. Winds are generated due to uneven heating on the earth. C. Near the earth's surface, warm air rising up whereas cooler air comes down. And D. Air moves from a region high of a pressure to the low of a pressure. So let's see next question. Question number 2 is suggest 2 methods to find out wind direction and the given places. Answer 1. Take a piece of a paper in your hand. Allow it to fall from your hand. It will flow in a direction in which wind is blowing. And 2. You can also use the wind pen which help us to know accurate wind's direction. Next question. Question number 3. State 2 experiences that made you think that the air exert pressure. Answer. A balloon and balls can be used only when they are inflated with air. When balloon is overfilled with air, a burst due to the excessive air pressure. And 2. Compressed air is used in the brake system for stopping trains. Let's see next question. Question number 4. You want to buy a house. Would you like to buy a house having windows but no ventilators? Explain your answer. Answer. No. A house which has no ventilators is not a safe or healthy house to live in. Answer. No. A house which has no ventilators is not safe or healthy house to live in. The air circulation is not there in such a house, so it has no fresh air because warmer air rise up and goes out through ventilators and fresh air comes in through windows. Next question, question number 5. Explain why holes are made in handling banners and hoardings. Answer. Air exerts pressure. Due to this pressure, banners and hoarding flutter and turn when wind is blowing fast. Holes are made in the banners and hoardings so that winds pass through the holes and they do not become loose and fall down. So let's see next question. Question number 6. How will you help your neighbors in case cyclone approaches in your village? Answer. 1. I will make them aware of a cyclone forecast and warning service. 2. Rapid communication of a warning to the government agencies and all the important places. 3. Construction of a cyclone shelter in the cyclone prone areas. 4. Helping them to shift essential goods, domestic animals, etc. to safe places. Let's see next question. Question number 7. What planning is required in advance to deal with the situation created by a cyclone? Answer. To deal with a cyclone, it is important to follow the following points. 1. Careful listening the warning transmitted on a TV and radio. 2. Moving to the safer places. 3. Keeping an emergency kit ready. 4. Store food in waterproof bags. 5. Not venturing into sea. And 6. Keeping all the emergency numbers. So let's see next question. Question number 8. Which one of the following places is unlikely to be affected by cyclone? Chennai, Bangalore, Amritsar and the Puri. The right answer is Amritsar. Next question. Which of the statements given below is correct? 1. In winter, the winds flow from the land to the ocean. 2. The summer, the winds flow from the land towards the ocean. 3. A cyclone is formed by the very high pressure system with very high speed winds revolving around it. And 4. The coastline of India is not vulnerable to cyclone. The correct answer is in winter the winds flow from the land to the ocean.